Whew. 3D printing, man, is this the future?
Or is this thing already obsolete?
So you're probably familiar with 3D printing already. I mean, basically we're talking about additive manufacturing, creating something by adding little pieces together, building it out of tiny little pieces of, in this case, plastic, as opposed to subtractive manufacturing, in which case we would be carving something out of a block of wood or cutting it out of a sheet of metal.
So think about how your ink printer deposits ink on a page, okay? The same sort of thing is happening, and instead of just going back and forth, it actually gets to work on a couple of different planes. So it can go back and forth, and it can go front and back, but this can also go up and down this little plate.
Say, hey, I kind of wish I had all the original Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle action figures, and I can just download some forms, plug in some green plastic, and just start printing them out one after the other. Or you sit down in front of a design program and you create your own design for an object, and then bam, you print that out as well.
But of course, I can't help but think about, well, what are the other implications here? Because there's a really cool technology called Nano 3D printing.
Creating objects at the smallest possible level, which gives us a tremendous amount of freedom in design. We can make super strong substances. We eventually will be able to create very small robots.
And when I think about nanobots, of course I think about the robot apocalypse.
Yes, what happens when this kind of technology is just ubiquitous?
We're talking about the future here, but what if you could have a self-replicating nano robot?
Do you end up having a situation where any self-respecting individual then has to purchase their own army of nanobots to fight off the other nanobots that are trying to videotape them using the bathroom? Let's get to know our destroyer then. Let's try printing out something. What would you like?
I would desire a lime green chess piece.
All right, and now through the power of time warp, we have the finished piece. This is a very detailed bit of plastic on the outside. You can see all the bricks and everything. Again, this is all made from a single piece of plastic, and it would be very difficult, if not impossible, to get this level of detail via a mold or via subtractive manufacturing.
More and more we will be seeing this.
That's your future right there.
So this is the object of our desire, but we want to know from you guys, what would you print with your very own 3D printer?
Yeah, let us know with a video response, let us know in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe so you can check out more mind-blowing video.